All right, in this session, we're going to look at joining important school groups. Now, remember that groups are where all the communication happens in our school with targeted bits and pieces. For instance, here is an all students group where every student in the school is enrolled and they can post updates for their fellow students. Another important group is the all staff group, which you can find by clicking on the Groups menu tab. Click on My Groups, and then if you scroll, you'll notice that here's a tab that says My Groups, and then you can go and look for an all staff group, and there you'll see that most staff in the school have joined this group. So the question is, how do you join the important groups that you need to? So what we do is literally click on the Groups tab. It'll bring up tiles of the groups that you are already part of. But if you want to join another group, click up here on the right-hand side that says My Groups. And then again, in this screen, you will see the groups that you are part of. But then you can go and select a group that you're not part of by clicking on this tab here, the School Groups. And this will give you a list of all the different groups in the school. And you can go and select the group that you need to join. So for instance, if you need to join the all staff group, which I highly suggest that we all do, click on the all staff group. And there will be a join button up here if you are not already part of it. The other way of doing this is to do it more manually. In this groups screen, you will see there's a join group button and a create group button. If you click the join group button, it'll ask you for a code, and then you can drop the code, copy and paste in, and say join. Now, this is how you can get students to join your groups, or you can join theirs. And you'll notice below on the page in the course, there's 3 groups that I've put in place or suggested that we join. There's the Elam All Staff group, there's the All Students group, and then there's another cool group called the Schoology Educators Down Under group. And this is a group that all school teachers that are using Schoology in New Zealand are part of, and I suggest you join that too. So grab that code, pop it in. You may want to try out joining your departments group, clubs or codes that you are part of, your tutor group maybe, your whānau group, or even the student year level groups to communicate with them. So that's just a little bit about joining groups. Try it out. Remember, you can't break it, enjoy it, and give it a go.